Jesus falls the second time. We adore you, O Christ, and we bless you, because by your holy cross you have redeemed the world.
I have lost my desire because I was not helped by anyone or given confidence. Now I am alone and I have no one to help me. I want to end up my life as early as possible.
Youth fall many times because of lack of solutions. They end up in suicide, drugs, worldly pleasure, wealth, rowdy, heroism. This way of life in the youth have destroyed them to the extent where they feel that there is no comeback. Prayer. Lord Jesus, when I am faced with trials, when burdens are weighed down upon me, when obstacles are piled in my path, no matter what might be my suffering, help me, Lord, to still get up and never to give up. Have mercy on us, O Lord, have mercy on us.